to be okay. Sometimes it's hard when you follow your heart. Tears are men losing, everybody's bruising. Just be true to who you are. Oh, be true to who you are. Oh. Okay.
That's all?
Are you wanting something else?
Ain't gonna lie, you gotta rip more for me because you almost made me cry just then. Let me hear something else. One more.
Okay, let me see what I. Okay.
Damn, you
You
just
want some
fuck me
Alicia
up.
Keys? Alicia Keys,
I
Whitney
don't care what you
Houston.
do.
You don't care what I do.
Just fuck my head up.
Okay, I got you. I don't know. Whitney Houston or Alicia? Pick.
Whitney Houston.
Okay. All right, hold on. Okay.
Ain't gonna lie, hold up. Before you say that, hey, all you motherfuckers is on this motherfucking line earlier said Shorty was a man. Ain't gonna lie, Shorty was a whole nigga. Shorty just verified. Shorty just verified that she a
I
nigga.
have
I
enough
ain't gonna lie to you.
karaoke.
But go ahead and do what you do, Shorty.
I got you. You ready?
Go ahead.